Hello and welcome to this review of a pretty cheap Chinese power supply. This is a 5-volt 2-amp power supply, and at my electronics seller they had a power supply assortment. I just bought the assortment and it was in there, so I was quite okay with it, but I wouldn't have bought it. I don't even know if we're allowed to sell that in the European Union because I don't see any CE mark. There's nothing on. And there's no German TÜV mark or something. There's nothing. It seems like no one has ever tested that thing before. So, yeah. I would just like to tear it down and see what's inside. It can be a very, very cheap Chinese thing without any feedback or protection or something, or it can be a quite well made device. But first of all, the weight is somehow okay for 10-watt 2-amp power supply. So the screws in there are normal Phillips head screws, so it's very easy for me to take it apart. Or at least I think so. I haven't made too much effort to prevent someone of getting in there. But just have a look at what we have there. Probably a hidden screw under there, but sure. There must be a hidden screw, but I have to find it. It's always the same thing. I think there's something, but let me just have a look for it. Okay. It seems like there's no hidden screw, so I'm going to get a flathead screwdriver. So I'm back with my flathead screwdrivers, just trying to get inside of it. Probably you can see it. It looks like there's kind of a clip or something. Probably I can get in there. Oh yes, it just opens up. So all cables are tightened down. That's quite good. I'm just going to like get it out here. It doesn't come out. It's probably, it just seems like it's clipped in. I don't see any glue or something. But let me just take, I'm sorry. I just hit the tripod and it fell down. But just have a look at the power supply. And when I look at it, I have no clue why this power supply does not have a CE mark. I mean, quite good capacitors, and just look at the output diodes. They're huge. They're totally okay with 2 amps. We have a fuse in here, over voltage protection, over current protection. Quite good input filtering capacitors, 105 degrees Celsius. Some young capacitors, I don't know them, but still, might be a good brand in China or something. And they even have feedback. And look at the spark gap. It's not huge, but it's okay. Definitely. That's just Chinese piece of art, I would say. You might not know that there are also quite good Chinese products out. Just like a Lenovo or Huawei. They make quite good Chinese products, and it seems to me that this is a quite well-made Chinese product as well. And you can even see the tiny MOSFET or voltage regulator down there. It just says, I think it's K. I can't really read it, but I think it's KB or something. Probably you can see it, but I don't think so either. But anyway. Nice, even inductors to filter it. The transformer is big enough for 2 amps, 10 watts. Nothing to say about it. I don't know why it doesn't have a CE mark. Nice power supply. And you could definitely use it, I think, without any problems. The driving IC is I hope you can see it. I'm still gonna read it out. It is a TNY 17.8 PN. So I hope we can find out what exactly it is, but it just seems that this is hilarious. Capacitors on input side, 400 volt, output side, 10 volts. What else do you want? So, Chinese PSU, gonna put it together. I don't know if I'm going to use it because I've got enough 5-volt power supplies and I don't need them, but still, nice to know. Hope I will see you someone else, or you will see me in my videos, and yeah. Bye bye.